feel really small in this chair.
Yeah, like big comfy chairs. We've got our first proper camper van chairs, didn't we?
Yeah, first chairs. We're getting organised now,
And
getting things sorted.
First table we've ever had.
Yeah.
Like collapsible.
It's really lightweight as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we thought if we're going to get a table, we might as well get a decent sized one.
Yeah.
So we've just had our breakfast, and we're doing what we intend to do a lot more of, aren't we?
So the reason we bought the chairs and the tables is we've actually handed in our notice. We're getting our retirement.
Yeah.
So I've got 18 working days left. You've got a lot longer.
Yeah, end of September. If they're a bit short, I said I'd do a couple more weeks.
Yeah.
Probably end of September.
Yeah. So we've taken the plunge. We're going away in the van.
So we're having to start to get organised.
Yeah. So we're buying stuff now while we can afford it.
Yeah, and we need, and the thing is, we're hoping obviously to spend a lot of time outside. So you need comfy chairs, don't you?
Yeah.
You need something comfy. You need a comfy table. It's going to be, fingers crossed, too warm to eat in the van. So hopefully we'll be having most of our dinners and stuff outside, won't we?
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's just lovely to get this downtime, isn't it?
So that's the plan. So if you want to see how we get on, it's quite scary because we've not got loads of money.
No, we've not got
we think we've probably got enough to travel.
We've got enough. We think we've got enough to manage
without eating into all the savings that come with the pension pots.
Yeah, so we're going to give ourselves a daily budget. We've tried to sort of get organised while we've still been having wages, haven't we, and buy things that we need, so that hopefully when we do retire, we're sort of ready to roll, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've even paid for the campsite in Benidorm at Christmas, just
so
for
we're
a treat.
in Benidorm for Christmas and New Year.
Yeah.
We don't know where we're going for the 50 odd days beforehand, and then we're hoping to go to Morocco, aren't we?
Yeah.
But we're not sure yet. So hopefully Morocco. So yeah, if you want to see how we get on and how retirement goes and what we learn and everything else that goes with it, just subscribe.
And it's bound to be chaos.
Yeah. And see how badly a job we make of it.
No, it's going to be great. We're going to have loads of adventures. We're just going to wing it, aren't we? We've got a loose plan.
I've got a picture of sort of watched every video possible from Spain and Morocco of all the proper van lifers doing it.
Yeah.
And I've got a map with all these points, and I think we could probably fill 3 months just trying to get to all of them.
Just trying to get round them.
But the exciting bit's going to be Morocco, I think.
Well, it's all going to be exciting.
Yeah, but the bit of like going to Africa, I've never been.
Yeah, I have though a couple of times. Yeah, but yeah, it's going to be going trekking in the Atlas Mountains or going on holiday to Marrakesh is going to be a whole lot different to getting that ferry over and driving around Morocco, isn't it?
Yeah.
And just finding our own way. So yeah, that's going to be a lot different.
Yeah. So follow and see what we get up to. We've got a few things planned before then.
We've got a lot of things planned before then.
So we're off to Lakes in the van next week. I'm singing and we're off to the Slumber in the Humber. We've got some other stuff. We've got stuff back in the Dales to come. So there's loads of stuff.
Yeah, we've got that much on. No wonder we've never got any money.
And then November will come really quickly, and then we'll be off on that ferry.
It's really coming around quick now, isn't it?
Yeah.
We talked about it for so long, but we never firmed it up, and now we've sort of firmed it up and handed notices in and that. It's just flying by the time, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. So it's basically just figuring out what to do, isn't it?
Yeah. So today, I'm just going to enjoy this gorgeous sunshine.
Now, any advice on retirement? Much appreciated. I haven't even figured out what I'm going to do with the pot. Do ices and things. I need any advice that helps us get round. It'd be brilliant. Right, we'll catch you in a bit. Bye.
Bye. Da-da-da-da-da. We have an update on Awning Gate. Awning Gate is finally over. So how long's it been since Easter? Was it Easter weekend?
Yeah.
So Easter weekend to nigh on August. And ta-da! There she is. Got her back.
We don't know if it works yet, so this is the first time we've ever tried it. Get that stick in.
Yeah, but I have to be honest, I've never done it anyway.
You need to learn.
So when we've had,
are you that short? You have to stand on that.
Yeah, I'm not going to be able to reach.
It's got an extendable pole. You can make it longer.
Yeah, but I've never ever.
It's a short horse.
Get lost.
Well, let's see if you can do it then. Come on. How are you going to do it now?
I don't know. I've never done it.
Come on.
No, you need to tell me.
What
do I do?
Twist it. Turn the handle.
Which way?
Well, lefty for Lucy. Loosen,
lefty,
innit?
Lefty Lucy.
Keep
Hang
going.
on. Oh,
There you go.
well, that's easy.
Go on then. Come on.
I can't reach.
Well, extend the pole.
Right, how do I extend it?
Well, you see that thing?
Oh, you know I'm useless. I do the pots. You do the outside job.
Oh, don't scratch me paintwork.
Right.
You can make it longer again.
Do you make it longer?
Yeah. You're going the wrong way. Oh, dear me. Absolutely useless.
Yeah, but we've had a van for 3 years and you've always done the awning. I've never touched
Try not to
it.
put that through the windows. Jesus.
Right, I can get off my step now. I can reach. Right, what is it left?
Lefty for loosen.
Oh, it's nothing's happening. Oh. Not very good at this, babes.
Right, it works. Pull it back in. Let's stop. I don't want to do any more because I'm not putting the legs out.
Oh.
But it works.
Right.
That's our new awning officially opened.
Now I know what to do.
Right,
Hang
go
on,
then,
so
see if you can get it down. You need to make sure your arm isn't touching it as you do it.
Oh, help. No. Nothing's happening.
Right, out the way. I'll have to do it. Right, out the way. If you want it done it properly, do it yourself.
Yes, but I've never, ever, ever picked the awning pole up. That I didn't realise you didn't have to keep it straight. It like wiggles round, doesn't it?
Yeah,
I was trying to keep it straight and turn it, and you don't have to.
No,
because that
it's
thing
on a
moves.
pivot.
Yeah, but I didn't know that.
Well, if you did some of the manual labour.
Yeah, but
around
I
there,
do the
you'd know.
inside, you do the outside. That's the rules.
Right.
Isn't it?
So
I'm going to learn now. Now I've had a little go.
Right.
So, but I did need a step.
No, you didn't, because the pole extends.
But I didn't know. Anyway, that's a boy job.
Right. So here we are at Reeferina. And for travelling, we've got this small Bluetti. So it's only a 716 watt hours. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to run the Starlink off it when we're abroad this winter. So to top it up, if we're off grid, I've got this Allpowers solar panel. So it's 200 watt, which is the max that this will be able to take. And I'm going to put it out in the sun because I've not tested it, and let's see whether we get much into this or not. See where it's going to work. So I reckon we'll be pulling about 60 to 75 watts for the Starlink, so I need to put more in than that, which will allow me to run it off this. So I'm getting fluctuating. I'll move out of the way. It was 144. Now I'm getting 133. Yeah, 144. So that's plenty, isn't it? That will do the job nicely. So it's not bad, 144 for 200 watt thing. It is pretty sunny this morning, but I should imagine it's going to be sunnier in Spain than it is in Swelldale. That works great. It is topping it up. Top job. Right. So one of the problems we've had is the draw's not very long for a bread knife, so they keep on falling down the back.
And we always forget one.
Yeah. So what we've done is we found this, so we can leave it in permanently. And it's a little foldable knife, but it's a Vitrinox, so it's really, really sharp.
It is a really good knife.
So yeah, Vitrinox, bread knife problem solved. Be careful though, it will take your finger off. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, so morning. We're supposed to actually have met Sam by now to go for a ride. But when we come back from Ardrock, we had a little drinky poos in a house, didn't we? And I think we got to bed about 1 o'clock, and we've just woke up at 10 o'clock. We're supposed to be there at 10:30. We haven't had breakfast yet. So there's a bit of a panic on.
Don't look at me.
So we're rushing round.
Breakfast chaos.
Trying to get breakfast chaos going.
Porridge, poached eggs on toast.
So I've tried phoning, I've sent a couple of messages, hopefully they'll pick them up. Sorry, got carried away. First night giddy again.
I hate it when we do this.
But we never learn, we're always the same. We'll always overdrink the first night and ruined it.
But we didn't have to, it was my own fault. I drank the rest of that Prosecco.
I have to go buy some more drink. Right.
No, I don't want any more drink.
I'm not talking about you.
I'm
It's not
off.
about you. It's not about me,
I'm
me.
off drink.
It's about me, right?
I don't like doing this.
Right.
Sharon, Ian, your
pictures of you
fault.
dancing drunk later on.
So I'm trying to be more environmentally friendly in the van, and I'm really conscious about any products getting into the watercourse. So at home for a while now I've been using Schmoll products, and I've got I'm using more or less the full range at home, including this foaming hand wash here. So I've got fabric conditioner, I've got multi-purpose cleaner, I've got washing up liquid, and I've got bathroom spray. At home I'm also using the washing powder tabs, which I've got on a programme, and they only cost me £5 a month. So they're environmentally friendly, they're vegan, cruelty free, you get a bottle for life, so less plastic, you're reducing your packaging, you're reducing your carbon waste, and when you're travelling you've got perfect size refills, because all you're taking with you is this. So for example, with the multi-purpose spray, you just drop one of these little tablets into the bottom and then you fill it with water. So absolutely ideal, because we shop a lot in places like Lidl when we're travelling, and it's not always easy to get environmentally friendly products. So yeah, washing up liquid and fabric conditioner comes in a cardboard refill like that as well. So yeah, really reasonably priced, really effective, really concentrated, eco-friendly, less plastic, brilliant products. And no, I'm not getting paid for advertising these. So it's just something I use, I love them, and I think they're really good. So I thought I'd share that with you.
And yes, we did manage to make that ride with Sam. You alright? You got it?
There was a big rock.
There was a big rock. Right, we're really doing this. Not sure yet whether we're more excited or more frightened about the whole thing, but if you'd like to see how we get on with Vanlife, or whether we make a complete balls up, then just hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. And if you want to know when those vlogs are up, before and after retirement, then just hit the notify button. On top of that, if anything in this video has been of any use to you, then give us a big thumbs up. We'd also like to hear in the comments if you've got any advice for us, whether it's about travelling in Spain and Morocco, or whether it's about retirement, because we're hurtling toward this and we haven't really prepared, to be honest. We've just made a bit of a snapshot decision to go for it. So we'd love to catch you on the road sometime if we get the chance. Until then, have a great week. Bye.